So in this video, I will show you how you can see your computer temperature. First, you have to download HW info. You can just click on that or drag it right how I do it, and you can download the portable one, so you don't need to install. You can download from wherever you want, the source first, for example. And after it has been downloaded, you can just open it. Just click on the zip and extract all. If you don't have a software to extract the zip, because I already have it extracted, I can just open the folder I've extracted and open hwinfo64.exe. You can just follow what I did there. You can just close that and click on the sensor to see all of the components that you have installed on your computer. For example, you can see the temperature of your CPU, the temperature of your GPU, and perhaps the temperature of your RAM if your RAM has a temperature sensor on the module. And this is how you can check the temperature of your computer component. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.